go. Contenders football. Good luck, guys. 4 more boxes. Contenders football. Good luck. All base. First auto you've got for the Miami Dolphins to 99, Jakeem Grant. Dolphins to 99, Jakeem Grant. Base. Base. Got number 249, Matt Forte for the Jets. Matt Forte for the Jets. Got a rookie roundup for the Buffalo Bills, Jonathan Williams. Rookie roundup, Jonathan Williams for the Bills. Base. Got Carolina Panthers to 99, Jeremy Cash. Carolina, Jeremy Cash. Base. Or base. More base. Got a Tampa Bay Buccaneer, Adam Humphries. Base for the Bucks, Adam Humphries. Base. Got 250 points that we'll randomize when we get done. More base. More base. More base. Base. Got a Carolina Panther again. You got James Bradbury. Excuse me, James Bradbury. Yeah, Panthers. James Bradbury. Base. More base. Base. Or base. Or base. Base. Or base. Or base. Base. Last pack, box number 1. Last pack, box 1. More base. Number 2. box 2. Base. On card to 199, Houston Texans, Tyler Irvin. 199, Tyler Irvin. Base. The St. Louis Rams of Tyler Higbee. Rams, Tyler Higbee. Base. More base. More base. Got a New York Giant of Roger Lewis. Giants, Roger Lewis. Base. More base. Base. More base. More base. More base. More base. Got a redemption. Four base. It is a dual redemption for a round number DeAndre Washington and Wendell Smallwood. So Raiders and Eagles. Raiders, Eagles. What randomized that? The Giant was Kevin Lewis. Kevin Lewis. Roger Lewis. Roger Lewis was the Giant. Roger Lewis for the Giants. Base. Roger Lewis for the Giants. Base. Base. Got a Patriot base, Jacoby Brissett. Patriots, Jacoby Brissett. Four base. Four base. Base. Four base. Four base. Last pack, box number 2. Got a Cleveland Brown of Scooby Wright. Scooby Wright for the Browns. Finish out, box number 2. Base. Number 3. Box 3. Number to 249, Seahawks, Russell Wilson. Base. Got a on card for the Cleveland Browns to 25, Corey Coleman. Corey Coleman for the Browns to 25. Base. Or base. Or base. Base. Or base. Base. Or base. Got a Cincinnati Bengal. You've got Nick Vigil. Nick Vigil for the Bengals. Base. Or base. Or base. Base. Or base. Got a cracked ice auto, number to 24, Eagles, Jalen Mills. Cracked ice to 24, Jalen Mills for the Eagles. Base. Got a San Diego Charger, Derek Watt. Chargers, Derek Watt. Base. Or base. Base. Or base. Got a New England Patriot of A.J. Derby. Patriots. A.J. Derby. Base. Or base. Or base. Last pack, on card, you've got Houston's Tyler Irvin. Your second Tyler Irvin tonight. Houston, Texans. Tyler Irvin. Base. Finish now. Box number 3. Number 4, then we'll move on to some NT baseball. Box number 4. Number 2, 249, Jeremy Macklin, Chiefs. Base. More base. 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 More base. Get a Jet rookie auto of Justin Burris. The Jets, Justin Burris. Base. More base. More base. Base. Got number 225. Good night for the Texans. 25, Will Fuller. Houston Texans to 25, Will Fuller. Base. Base. More base. Base. More base. Got a Tampa Bay Buccaneer of Peyton Barber. Bucks, Peyton Barber. Base. Got a Buffalo Bill, Kevin Seymour. Buffaloes, Kevin Seymour. Base. More base. Base. More base. Dallas Cowboy Malik Collins. Cowboys Malik Collins. Base. Base. Number 299, Navarro Bowman. 49ers, 99, Navarro Bowman. Oh my, another one, your third, Tyler Irvin tonight. Your third, Tyler Irvin. Finishing out, Contenders football. Base. Slide those back. We've got two randoms to do, your 250 points, and then the Raiders and the Eagles. All right, good luck, guys. We'll do the Raiders and the Eagles first. That was DeAndre Washington and Wendell Smallwood. Your duel. First time the Eagles. Second time the Raiders. Third time going the Oakland Raiders. Oakland Raiders taking that one home. DeAndre Washington and the Oakland Raiders. Next one, your 250 points. 250 points. First time you've got the Chargers. Second time you've got the Cowboys. And the third time your 250 points is going to go to the Eagles. Going to the Eagles on that one. Going to the Eagles. 250 points for the Eagles.